Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. There are a few places in my house that I usually decorate even when I'm not doing a full house decorate, but these are the spaces that I'm gonna decorate for spring/Easter. So I want you to make sure that you stay tuned to see how everything comes out. And if you have some decorating to do, then you can join right along with me. Start with the dining room table, and this is kind of how I have it set. It's not really complete, but anyway, this is how I have it set before I put the Easter spring decor. And this is everything that I'm going to use to decorate, not just this table, but the kitchen and den as well. So I'm going to get started by cleaning off the table, giving it a good clean, and then I'm gonna start decorating. As for my dining room table, I pretty much use the same, stuff on there, like the round woven, mats. I use those year round. This table runner, I pretty much use year round, except for around fall and Christmas, and the middle, tray I keep on my table all the time as well. So I just wanted to make sure the table was clean before I start decorating. And this is the tree. If you watched my coffee bar video, this is the tree that belonged to my mom. And the eggs that I'm starting to put on there, I love these eggs. I wish I could find more of them. I got them at Walmart several years back, but they're kind of like those disco ball kind of material. And so when we have the screen up on the patio, the sun comes in and you can see the different color reflections on my wall behind my table, and it looks so pretty. I love the way it looks. And as usual, I am struggling with how I want to decorate the centerpiece. These napkins are some that I found at Hobby Lobby, as well as the adorable bunny ear napkin rings. They match my plate perfectly. But anyway, I'm just folding my napkins in an accordion style and placing them in the napkin rings, and then fanning out the napkin. And here is my final result of my dining room table. Now I'm moving on to my kitchen counters, and I have the two usual places that I always have decorated. So I'm just going to decorate those two places on my counters. And besides this and the island, that's the only thing I'm doing in my kitchen. If you're new to my channel, I just want to take a minute to introduce myself. My name is Melissa, and I love doing videos like this: home decor, home organization, shopping hauls, and I do a lot of meal ideas, dinner ideas. So if that is something that you enjoy, then I would love it if you would become a part of my YouTube family. Click that subscribe button and click the bell button, because that lets you know every time I upload a new video. Are you getting any decorating done? Let me know in the comments below if you even decorate for spring or Easter. Alright, now I'm going to clean off my island. This tray that I'm cleaning off has been on my island since for probably about a year, but I decided that instead of using it, I'm going to use the kind of cutting board that was over by the refrigerator, and I'm going to use it in its place because I feel like it'll take up less room on the island, so that when we sit at the island to eat, it doesn't take up as much room. So anyway, I had an idea about what I wanted this to look like, and I have the flowers, and I think I know exactly what this is going to look like. And then once I get it put together, I don't know, it just didn't have, I think it was because it was all blue and everything else was so colorful. So yeah, I ended up not doing these flowers. But you can only figure it out by trial and error, right? Now we're moving on to our family room, and in the family room, I don't really do too much. I mainly just add a few things here and there, but there are a couple places where I replace one thing with another, but mainly it's just adding little touches here and there. if you haven't seen my coffee bar video, here is a little sneak peek, but I will leave the link in the description box below. And at the end of the video, there will be a box that you can click on to see that video. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by, and hopefully you got some decorating inspiration. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. And also, don't forget, if you're new to my channel, would love it if you would consider subscribing and being a part of my YouTube family and helping me reach my goal of 4,000 subscribers by the end of the year. You guys can help me make that happen. I really do appreciate it. Please give this video a big thumbs up because it does help me out with YouTube. Also, if you want more decorating inspiration, then click on the box that you see now, and you should also see the coffee bar video that you can watch. And I will see you next time. Bye.